Hi friends! Happy Tuesday! I am so proud of you. You've logged onto Google Classroom and you're doing great. I hope that all of you have picked up your Chromebook if you needed one over the weekend or on Friday or yesterday. And since it is Tuesday, I have a couple of announcements. It's Mill Park's Food Pantry Day, so if your family is interested in picking up food at Mill Park, it's from 11:30 to 1:30 today. Also, if you didn't know, you can pick up breakfast and lunch grab and go style from Ron Russell Middle School or the high school from 9 to 11 every day. Also, that is available at Ventura Park and Gilbert Heights. But boys and girls, I really think that the high school or Ron Russell Middle School would be closest for you to pick up the grab and go breakfast. All right, on to learning today. In math, I'm excited. We're going to be looking at quadrilaterals. That's a two-dimensional figure, that means flat, that has four sides and four angles. Draw me some quadrilaterals, that's your assignment, on a piece of scrap paper. You can take a picture with your parent's phone and send that to me in Google Classroom, or just have fun drawing them at home. You do not have to submit a picture. For reading, you're going to be reading and listening to two stories about rain. Hopefully it's not going to rain, but they're interesting stories. You'll like them. In the document for reading, you're going to type out your I wonder, I notice, or any connections that you've made as you're going through the books. Just challenge yourself to maybe answer one of those questions. And then at the top in Google Classroom, you're going to click that submit or turn in. It's a blue button. That way I can see what you typed. Have fun today. I miss you. See you tomorrow.